You guys shared the stage with SB19, Maestro Campo, and Vocal Mix. How was the whole experience like?
Sobrang saya kasi aside from performing with them during yung mga behind the scenes, during rehearsals, we got to know them a little bit deeper. Aside sa mga nakikita natin sa TV, doon namin na-realize na hindi lang sila sobrang magaling, pero sobrang mabait sila and they are very gracious enough to share the stage, not only sa amin, but to other performers as well. Kaya sobrang thankful talaga kami sa kanila. Kaya salamat, SB19.
Napaka matulungin ng SB19 sa mga talents, yung mga guests. Talagang concerned sila kung naririnig ba namin yung mga boses namin. Tapos kung meron silang nakikitang dapat i-improve para lang mapaganda yung buong song, buong performance namin, they will really do that and ask the team na gawin natin to. And they're very gracious and very humble. Tapos, napaka-generous sila in sharing their talents with us. Kaya, it's really a privilege to be working with them. Nagpapasalamat kami dahil inimbita kami ng SB19.
Yes.
Talaga, sila yung mga members talaga ng SB19 na nag-invite. Nag-push talaga na isama yung 4 tenors. Tsaka vocal mix na makasama sa pagtaka.
So, nung tinapo kayo, what was your reaction? Was there any pressure knowing that this was going to be like a sold-out concert?
Siyempre, nung una parang, di ba panawala, parang totoo ba to? Is this real? Kasi SB19 yun eh. Tapos, wala. Tapos ano na lang, parang, sa akin noon, parang hindi pa nag-sink in. So, medyo matagal pa mo process na, kung totoo ba to? Ganun.
For those unaware, di ba you started with like Coach Stel for the Voice Generation. So, even after the show ended, ano na po yung relationship niyo or bond niyo with him?
With Coach Stel, siguro ang band namin na naging nung mga time na after ng The Voice, nagko-comment siya sa mga post namin. So yung gesture niya na gano'n, sobrang laking bagay na nun para sa amin.
Bagay na for us.
Dahil sobrang parang pinapakita yan na andito lang ako ha, hindi ako nawawala. So, tapos dumating itong panahon na nag-invite sila. Ayun, mas naka-band namin sila ngayon na in a way, kahit konting kwentuhan lang in between rehearsals na ginawa. Sobrang nasa kanila na lahat. Wala na kaming mahihiling pa. Parang bilang artist, yung makasama namin sila sa isang entablado, kumpleto na kami. Pero dahil doon, sobrang inspired kami ngayon to practice more, tulad nung ginagawa nila. Kasi nakita namin yung preparation nila dito para sa, like 9 a.m. ng umaga hanggang 3 a.m. ng umaga. Walang uwian. So, Hindi namin alam kung kaya namin sa boses namin yung ganung katagal na kantahan. Pero,
Tsaka sa edad natin. Joke lang.
Oo, tito.
Dance pa yun sa kanila.
Pero sobrang inspiring lang na talagang ang sarap lang gayahin nung mga ginagawa nila. No wonder sila ang kings of P-pop. So,
Okay, but so for our last question, is there anything that we can expect from you in the future?
Yes, a lot. Actually, may mga plans po kami kasi nga gawa nga nitong concert. Naging guest kami ng SB19. Yung drive po namin to really expose our genre, yung crossover namin na pop classical, that in itself na naging guest kami is already something na we would like to continue further kasi ibig sabihin may nakaka-appreciate sa songs namin or sa music namin. Kaya expect a lot from us. Probably schedules will be kasi we will be having events sa Resorts World, the private events. A lot of companies have been giving us opportunities to perform for them. So doon po kami masaya. Kaya hopefully we will also have that moment wherein we can have a bigger venue to showcase our talent as well. Thanks talaga sa SB19 for giving us the motivation to do this. Ayun.
opportunity talaga.
Yes. Also, we're also planning to release songs, original songs as well. and probably cover songs na madami din pong nagre-request sa amin to do it. So,
Abangan.
abangan niyo po kami.